we go.
Okay, here we are.
See if it has a stretch. Go!
Okay, on my go, attention, from backstops, go, with Will. Okay, in 3, in 2, in 1, ready, go, nice! Holding the knees down, go! Rocking over. Okay, 37 and a half. Okay, down onto rate, down 2 pips with Will. Go! Good change. It's a strong smashing through the first 500. Okay, let's think about opening up the hips. Ready, go! Hips, chest. Hips, chest. Hips, chest. Hips, chest. Okay, and through 500. Nice! Okay, sending with the heels. Ready, go! Legs, hips. Legs, hips. Legs, hips. Legs, hips. A nice, just listen to this rhythm. Good, making your own part of the rhythm. 750. Nice. Okay, holding down the knees as we rock over. Go. Okay, we're coming up on the K. Eyes on the man in front, let's push through it. Ready, go, step it on. Okay, again, focusing on swinging open. Go! Hips, chest! Hips, chest! Nice! Hips, chest!
City!
Okay, gents, coming through 1200. We've kept the power well. Let's send it to the end. Go!
Up.
Okay, eyes on, focus up, go! Nice and loose. Hips loose. Okay, gents, 600 to go into tier 1. In 3, in 2, in 1, ready, move. Commit.
Good change.
On the heels, nice. Heels loose. Heels loose. Heels loose. Heels loose. Okay, gents, into tier 2, in 3, in 2, in 1, ready, move, step it up. With the legs, focus forward, good. Okay, gents, 250, tier 3. We're going to move in 2, in 1, ready, now, commit. This is it. Legs loose, legs loose, step it up. Every ounce. All together, good. Squeeze send, squeeze send, squeeze send, squeeze send. 5 strokes, now. And wind it down. And